Hi and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about Stanbic asset management. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to start from downloading the app or maybe visiting the website to registering and then buying your first investing in your first mutual fund. So sit tight. I will also mention the pros and cons of investing with Stanbic asset management. So the first thing we need to dive in is why Stanbic asset management. Is simple. They are one of the biggest player when it comes to investing in Nigeria, especially these mutual funds of a thing. They are one of the biggest players. Two, their app is convenient and very easy. You can download everything. You can download one app and you have your stockbroking, pension, and everything. And also, the third one is they are regulated by Security and Exchange Commission. So the body regulate them. It's not like it's a Ponzi scheme. And the final one that I love so much is that the minimum investment for each fund is low. Most of them 5,000 naira. You can start with 5,000 naira, and even their dollar. While other firm can when it comes to dollar, you can start from 1,000. Their own is just $100. So today we are going to walk through every step of it. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to go to your app store. So when you go to your app store, you type Stanbic IBTC mobile app, then this will pop up. Then because we have already downloaded this one, so the next thing you need to do is to download and then it will install. Then you click open. So when you click open, it will bring you here. So when you come here, since if you want, let's say you want to do with a invest in stock, then you click here. Or you want to buy federal government bond, savings bond, and any other bond, you click here, which is stock, to register your account, which is you click here, you click create account. Then here you click create stockbroking account. Then here they will give you what you need to enter. You have to enter your information and everything. Since you are creating a new account, you click it and you continue. So they will tell you what you need to do. Then you continue. Here you need to enter your BVN, and after BVN you enter bank details, then identification, then you you review all your information, then you click submit. Usually these people take a while before they respond back to you. I won't lie, this their stockbroking something is really difficult to open. As in, it's not like it's difficult, but usually take time before they will get back to you. So once you send them, you finish it, you make sure you email them. So for today on, we are not talking about stockbroking account. So today we are talking about mutual funds. So the first thing you need to do once you get to this app, if you are interested in mutual funds, is to click mutual funds. So when you click mutual funds, you click create account, create an instant account. Then you come here. So once you are here, you need to review some of the funds and see which one you like. Then anyone you like, you just have to click buy. So let's explain it a bit based on, let's assess it. Oh, this is just from what I know. You still have to consult your financial advisor. Anyway, the first thing first is the money market fund. Their money market fund is hot cake now. It has always been a hot cake. So right now the rate is 20.76%, which means if you invest in a year, and if you invest, this is what you are expected to get in a year. But I won't lie, the interest rates fluctuates a lot. So for instance, today you can wake up tomorrow and it's 22%. So this thing, I don't want to go into the monetary policy and everything, but what I mean is that it fluctuates a lot, but is very safe. So after the Stanbic money market fund, this Stanbic money market fund is for people with low risk appetite. It's very good if you know you have a low risk appetite and what you want is for your money to be safe. Then any amount of money that is on top of it, you are okay with it, then go for money market fund. I always advise beginners who don't even know their risk appetite yet to go for this one, because at least you know that your money is safe, and from there you can decide whether to move forward with other investments or not. If you want to test the water, start here. Then the second one on the list is Stanbic Dollar Fund. This one, I won't lie you, this one is good. It's very good because first of all, their interest for the past few years I've invested in this dollar fund. I won't lie, their interest has been great. So although they have charges, you can click on it to see more detail about it. They have charges, but it doesn't even affect it that much. The only problem is that when you are transferring and you are not transferring from their custodian bank, the charges is high, the transfer fee is a bit high. So, and that's not their fault, it's the fault of the bank you are transferring, because normally to transfer dollar is high, but this one the minimum investment is just $100. Meanwhile, other investment firm do like 1,500 minimum. But this one minimum is $100. I do have to mention that this is actually for people with high risk appetite, because there's one thing is that they invest in euro bond and even private and government euro bond, and they invest some in fixed deposits. They invest some in instruments that are not high risk, but at least if you know you don't stand losing any part of your money, you can skip this. But if you know you are earning in dollar, or you still want to invest something in dollar to diversify because of fluctuation, you can consider this after going through it in a detail. But if you want, I have a video on that. I titled it is Stanbic Dollar Fund, What Your Investment. Check it out. Then the next one on the list is enhanced fees income. Stanbic enhanced fees income fund is something you can invest in if you have at least a medium risk appetite. Like if you see from here, you see that they invest in something like a federal government and state government, as well as corporate entities with a minimum credit score rating of BBB. You see, so the thing is not completely low risk, but at least is some people that have a medium risk appetite, this fund is suitable for them. Then the next on the list is guaranteed investment fund. This investment fund is for people with medium to low risk appetite. So they invest 70% in bond, and maximum of that's maximum of 70% in bond, and then maximum of 5% in equity, and then the rest in money market fund. So they say it's only you have to invest stay invested for 3 months before you can guarantee your principal can be guaranteed. So you have to have at least a medium to low risk. It's not like it's high risk, but when you are investing in this one, make sure at least you can leave your fund in there for like at least 3 months. Then the next on the list is the Sharia fees income. This one is for people who want to invest in a fund that aligns with their faith. So like they say here, is suitable for Islamic investors who want capital growth by strictly investing according to their principles of Islamic this thing. So is Muslim related fund investment. This one, like I've been saying, apart from the dollar fund, all of them is low risk, is a 5,000 minimum investment. Like this one now, this one is for people with low risk appetite. This Sharia fixed income fund is for people with low risk appetite. So if you are a Muslim and you are considering where to invest in something that can give you higher income rather than invest in fixed deposit or leave your money in savings account, this one is perfect for you, for people with low risk appetite that are Muslim. So that's that. Then this one is Stanbic. The next one is Stanbic balance fund. Stanbic balance fund is for people that have a medium to low risk appetite. So because they invest 40 to 60% in equity, 40 to 60% also in fixed income instrument. This one now is for people with medium to low risk investment, and it's still 5,000 naira to start. So you check your risk appetite and see if this one is good. You can research more on it. And this one, the next on the list, is Stanbic IBTC Nigeria Equity Fund. The equity fund is people with high risk appetite. You need to have a high risk appetite to be able to, in order to invest in this one, because let's say, well, all the investments, mostly all the investment goes into equity. So they invest 70% in equity, which is almost all the money, and they invest only 30% in fixed income. And that if you don't have a high risk appetite, please don't consider this at all. The equity fund, don't consider it at all. The minimum investment is still 5,000 naira. So the next on the list is the ethical fund. The ethical fund is 70% equity and 30% fixed income. And the restricted this thing, for instance, you know, there are some people that invest based on like environment. Like I see some people mentioning some brand and say, oh, I would never buy that brand stock because it's not what they invest in, what they produce and what they do is not ethical, something like that. So if you are the type that, if you are one of those people, then you should invest in this. The restricted fund is something like the restricted investment is breweries and tobaccos. So most Christians, deep Christians, will like this. Then the next on the list is the Iman fund. This one is for people with a high risk appetite. So if you have a high risk appetite and you are a Muslim, then this one will work for you. So that's about this. So whichever one you choose, anyone you think you like, so once you like it, then you click buy. So when you click buy, it's automatically to take you to where these are the things you need. They say first of all account details, then personal, you set up your profile, then you verify. So now here you need to enter your phone number, then you need to enter your email and phone number. So here, first of all, you have to enter your phone number and your email. Then you click next. So when you click next, automatically it takes you here. Here you need to enter your first and last name. You confirm your OTP and everything before you click next. The next page is where it will give you the where you need to verify your phone number and every other information before you proceed. Just follow the prompt and make sure you complete all the necessary information. Then they will contact you with your unique number that you can use as reference when you are buying Stanbic IBTC or when you are buying the fund. If you hate mobile apps or you just want to make sure you are downloading the right mobile app, you can go to Google and type Stanbic asset management, and when you click, it will bring you here. You click this one, make sure you are at their website, the correct website. So you can go here, you see the options to open account, get investment advice, or check your investment. So if you are still confused, you can come here for investment advice. So here they will suggest for you based on your risk appetite. The step one is assessment. You enter some information. You know, when you enter the information, you click here, you accept, you enter the information, then you get started. So here it will allow you to click what your investment is, what you are investing for. Are you doing for retirement or for vacation? For instance, now let me say retirement. Then here you will ask me how long it will take. I will say over 2 years. Then he will say, when do you want to start withdrawing? I can say over 2 years. You see here, I would if you don't have that high knowledge of investment, you can say limited. So when you go, you say when I've lost money. This one is to assess your risk appetite. So here you can say if your risk appetite is low, you say that you are interested in preserving your money. So here he will ask you what is the most complex investment you have done. If you have not done anything more than fixed deposit, you click that. You say here, they say if you invest 100,000 in stock market and lose 25 of it the next 3 months during the market decline, what will you do? If you are the type that panic and sell your shares, you click anyone. Just click the suitable one. Somebody like me that has a low risk appetite, let's assume I will click something like sell all my shares, so they will know that my risk appetite is low. He say which best describe your investment. I am comfortable with more returns than what I get from savings. If you're low risk appetite, just click this one. No stress for you. Then you click finish. So when you click finish, it will assess you, and the result will be that you have a low risk appetite, and they will give you something like money market fund and something of that nature, because they know that based on what I click, that's what it's supposed to give me. Because personally I feel that my risk appetite is low. So the results are in. You say your assessment, from the assessment just completed, you are conservative for investors seeking capital preservation and income. So Stanbic money market, I said it, I know this is what it will be. So now they will allow you, they will say you should invest now. So here you need to click it. I don't know why the network is, why it's doing that. But if you just want to open an account with them, you can click this one and open account with them. You can proceed from here. So just like the app, what I explained on the app, that's what you will see here. Yeah, almost exactly the same thing. But if you don't want that, if you want to know the prices of the fund, then you click it. So here, this is what you have. Just same, almost the same thing with the app. So there you have it. And then when you sign up, when you already sign up and your account is ready, you have your password and everything, you can click sign in here, and from here everything, you can monitor your account. When you log in to your account, this is what it will look like. You have this, you can click to show your balance or not. Then you can also say redeem. If you want to redeem, you can redeem it here. You can redeem it right here if you want to redeem. If you want to buy new, you can click. If you want to top up, you can top up here. If you want to buy new, just click buy new. You select the one you want to buy, then you click on it. When you click on it, they will give you the detailed analysis. Like here, they will tell you how they will allocate the fund, what is all about, the risk, the minimum investment, redemption, how long it will take, the investment risk, and everything. They will give you all the information you need. So I encourage you to start today. Start investing small, even if it's 5,000 naira a month. You can start. I know it's not a lot of money, but it's better when you cultivate the habit of investing. You go far from there. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.